Me go buy yang.
You go buy san funyang.
Me go buy sang fu yang a supermarket. Papia ko ipendeu comigo.
Deixa uma secrepato.
Secrepato? Boboca pra sapato. Good morning, amiga. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is my boyfriend speaking Suriname to me. We just finished making breakfast. I already brushed my teeth. Omi bosro mi TV. Did I say that right?
I'm not allowed to help you, right?
Listen, you are supposed to speak Suriname.
Mina mag je toch?
No.
Okay.
So I'm so excited. Yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. We're about to have our breakfast, and then we're gonna start with the vlog.
Gonyang.
Me go yang.
Gonyang, era?
Sí.
No, si. Y no más taxi.
Yeah,
Same taxi.
I. Here is me yang, me coffee, me go yang. Me go yang.
Yang sweet, era?
I.
Say what, Sandy. Ask me, say what, Sandy.
Saibin sabi. What did I say? Is that what you said? Saiwan sabi. Hey, don't play cool because you are the one who's speaking Surinamese today, though.
Yes.
Don't be like that. Anyways, I just finished watching a tutorial.
Surinamese, you need to talk.
Well, that's not the challenge. The challenge is you talking Surinamese. See, this challenge is already going into a disaster. You need to talk Suriname today. You need to talk Suriname. My challenge is to understand. I can talk back what I...
Abong, Arki. So doet hij dit.
Wachtie. Ga je doen today?
Zo doet hij dit.
Wat doen wij vandaag?
Ja.
What did we do today?
Wat gaan we doen?
Wat gaan we doen?
English, please.
Mego wasi. Daarna mego put make-up. En daarna... Bakadat. Mi nangayu. Wachti... Nos brada? Uno brada. Y nos... y mi nangayu y brada. Go shopping.
Wo
go shopping.
Wo go buy Sunny.
Wo go buy Sunny. Una bicicleta.
One by Siri.
By Siri. Yes, we'll go buy.
This is gonna be a 5-hour video.
No, it's not. We'll go buy bisri.
So what is that? One by Sigri.
One by Sigri.
Yeah.
One by Sigri. Y Sunny por Sunny Faf barbecue.
Can you please break it up for me? What's the first part?
I'm gonna go get ready. Me go wasi.
You go wasi.
You put on makeup.
Yeah. You put makeup.
And then we're gonna go wait for our friend. And then we're gonna go to the supermarket.
That will go buy. Bakarat will go buy one by Sigiri.
Yes. Hey, thank you. I already finished taking my shower, and now I'm gonna suku krosi.
Yani.
Yeah.
Suku krosi gimpa.
See, mi suku krosi for you.
Okay, do snap.
Okay. Mi suku krosi gim Benny. Okay. Let me see what I'm gonna get. Let me see. And this is a look. The yellow shorts. With this. It's pretty warm outside. Hey, Amix. Kiting. Salada. I finished putting on my makeup. This is the look that I went for. And I'm completely dressed, just a top and some jeans. Benny is dressed in the outfit that I chose for him. Hey, you like your outfit?
I'm in love it.
You love it?
I'm in love it.
Okay. He loves his outfit. So amiga, we are now outside. We're going to the supermarket to get our weekly groceries. I am with Benny, of course. You got anything to say in Suriname?
No.
No? No updates for the amigas? Huh? No? So far I feel like this video is very boring.
What do we got? That's on fire.
It's on fire?
Yeah.
The sun is hot. Hey!
Put it up you can.
Mikin.
Put
Mikin.
us on,
What the fuck does that even mean?
put us on the sea. Tap you can.
Put as handy see, then you can. Put your sunglasses on your eyes.
Put this on your chin.
That's not your chin.
Oh, okay. I tried to get you.
Really? Oh my god, I'm not dumb, okay?
You act dumb sometimes.
I'm not dumb.
You don't.
Apa to dondong?
Hey.
Kung yung kidondong?
Hey, Nederlands.
Oh, English.
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 Hey, mag ook niet uitstellen.
Well, then you shouldn't say stupid stuff to me.
Don dia.
Da-
Don dia.
Dondong den bosangka.
Nebo sangka tabo.
Okay, that's not part of the program. We'll update you later.
Was
Ba?
er aan Anton hoe je praat, hè?
Tranantongo. Nee, maar the stuff you guys,
Bosanka is beelden.
you know, the stuff y'all say, mapampang dinges and stuff, that is not good at all. I'm not gonna do that. No. Alright?
YouTube is gonna come for you. That word you just used.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna say that anymore, and I'm gonna bleep that out.
You ain't bleeping shit.
But you need to speak Suriname.
In a sense, you know what? Son. Ah, you want kiss me, Maar I don't look.
Okay, whatever.
Don dia.
Kiko ba diba, Pia? Don dia.
Hey, listen.
Abo, listen.
Today is my day, okay?
Yeah, but you need to speak Suriname.
Dai tak serang Anton dan.
Nee.
Tak
How do you
serang
say
Anton.
listen?
Arki.
Hey! Arki me.
Mine Arki next.
Si Arki. Yutaki Sranang. Sranang Tongo. So, today.
Maar Arki, met tak serang Anton, saya mustak eigenlijk.
Huh?
Saya mustak eigenlijk.
Mi mustak in English. Mi go by yang.
Die wil je bij zijn funyang.
Mi go by sang fu yang. A supermarket. Papya ko yung pendel ko mi. Ha. Anyways, bye. I'm done.
Ik mo po jayong.
Mo po dya abo.
Abo chindot.
Chindot yan po saan ka tin chindot? Gang.
Wat is dat gang? Nefesige gang. Ești mă secrepatul.
Secrepato? Bobo ka pa sapato. Then what did you say?
Secrepatul.
Secrepato?
Ja.
What the hell is secrepato?
Is een dier. Is een dier.
It's a duck.
Ja.
Frog. Oh, that's not it.
Yeah. Secret patu.
A dried frog.
Patu is pot.
Pot.
Yeah. Pat.
Is it a turtle?
Yeah.
I look like a turtle? A ninja turtle.
Yeah.
So we have been back home for a while. I changed into something a little bit more comfortable. It's like this cute little pink set. But I didn't vlog too much on the street because it was hot. And I was just trying to get that over and done with as soon as possible. And now we're gonna make dinner. We're gonna make Caribbean chicken soup. And we also sopa de pollo. How do you say sopa de pollo in Suriname?
Foru supu.
Foru supu? We're gonna make foru supu. And
We'll make foru supu.
we'll make foru supu. We'll make foru supu. Sopa de pollo. Okay. So we go kukru. Come on, let's go. Banaka. Yoo-hoo!
Ah, takanami.
Tak na ngayon.
Ah.
We need to clean the chicken wings for the soup. We need to cut them.
Clean and cut are not the same.
It is the same. We need to clean, wash them, and cut them.
I will cut them.
You will cut them?
You can clean them.
Okay, great. But you need to speak Suriname.
Me o clean de, me o cut them that you e clean a foru. Okay?
Okay.
Samtaki.
We go boring el soup.
No, samitaki.
Huh?
Samitaki. Me o cut them, you e clean.
You are gonna cut them, and I'm gonna clean them.
Yes.
And who go boring?
You uno of me o body.
You a body?
Of you one body.
Me one body.
Abu, that you body.
Okay, so I'm gonna cook the soup, and he's just gonna cut the chicken wings, the chicken for the soup. Okay? So yeah. Oma weti moyang?
Omen meti wonyang.
Omen meti woyang.
Wonyang ala tupaki?
Yeah.
Ala tupaki.
Ala tupaki, sim.
Okay.
Koti alas. Tanana come si babosi. Akabena fe mi waka come si babosi. Right?
I'm gonna leave it like that.
Sing it.
I'm not gonna sing it.
Why not?
I wanna see what the Suriname people are gonna say.
They're gonna be mad at me. I'm so sorry if I said something
bad.
bad. Because maybe I totally jacked that up. You need to speak Suriname. You keep talking in English.
Abu mo tak Suriname tongo, yala?
Tak Suriname tongo.
Okay. Abung.
Abong. Faf you mom. You mama.
Mimma emeken boom.
Ah. You brother? Elephant.
Dinge meken boom ook toe.
Ah, okay. Faf Gio?
Mim Belgio.
Yung Belgio?
I'm a Belgio darling.
Okay. Saya do.
Me was den dot sunny.
The Dotsani?
Me was den dot sunny.
You was pretties.
Me was den dot sunny.
The Dotsanis.
Yeah.
A plate is pretty, right?
Yeah, pretty, yeah.
You was pretty.
Yeah, me was a dot pretty.
A dot pretty.
Yeah.
You're washing the dirty dishes.
Yeah.
Ah.
Konjaso na ngayon camera.
Konjaso nama yung camera. Take your camera and come here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Mi jaso.
Mo carne saneng, bete mi saneng.
Carne. You're gonna say something? And then I need to say it. Your carding ning.
Yeah.
You're gonna say their name?
Yeah?
Yeah. And then?
You need to show me what it is.
Oh, okay. We're gonna play a little game. It's kind of similar to the grocery list situation the last time. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are we gonna do?
You're gonna say the name of the thing, and I need to pick the right ingredient, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes?
Are you gonna show your amigas what's here?
Yeah. So Benny is doing the dishes at the moment. But here are all the ingredients for the soup. Okay.
Caro.
Caro?
Yeah.
Duur. That's expensive in papiamento. A caro. Potato? No? Oh shit. Caro. Caro. What the fuck is caro?
No.
No? It's this.
No.
No? Caro. Whoa. Is it pumpkin?
No.
Ah, it's carrots. It's carrots.
No.
Caro.
No.
What?
Listen good.
Yeah?
Caro.
Caro.
Listen good. It's something to eat. Caro.
Of course, everything here is to eat, Benny. Come on now.
But if you listen good, you would know what it is.
The meat.
Listen good. Caro.
The only thing I hear is expensive in my language.
Okay. Caro. Okay. You want a helpline? You want a clue?
Caro. Is it
Yes.
corn?
Yes.
Corn. Caro?
Corn. Caro.
Caro. Corn. Like, what the hell? Okay. Wow. Okay. Next.
Groento.
Groento. This one.
Okay.
Greens.
Okay. Methi.
Hey, that's the chicken.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nefi.
Niffy? Did you include the knife?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Asing.
Asing. Vinegar.
Yes. Yeah.
With us in Dutch, it's azijn, so vinegar. Asing. Vinegar. Yeah?
Black pepper.
Black pepper. But I don't see that here. You just freestyled that.
Okay.
Okay, anyways. Black pepper is black pepper.
Ik weet niet hoe je zoete patat en Arab was dat. Of pampung, sa ook een pampung.
Pampung.
Ja.
Okay.
Olie.
Olie?
Ja.
Oil.
Ja.
And how do you say these things? Cubitos?
Hetzelfde.
Cubitos?
Nee. Gewoon Maggi blok.
Maggi block. Okay. And potato? You don't know that either.
Nee, ik weet het ook niet.
Okay.
Sweet.
No? I guess the game is over then.
Yes, the game's over.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna say a few words and then you can
translate them.
Guess what it is.
Okay.
Sucru.
Sugar.
Bread. I need to make it more difficult.
Yes.
Lukudosu.
Look at cookie.
Nee, lukudosu.
Look at the cookie.
No.
Lukudosu. No.
Dosu betekent doos. Luku betekent kijken. Lukudosu.
Ja, kijkdoos.
Oké, ja, je bent bijna, maar wat is het?
Kijkdoos.
TV.
What? That is crazy.
Dat hebben ze me geleerd.
Met Luku TV.
Dat, ja, maar volgens mij is dat.
Lukudosi. Wow.
Dosu. Ja.
Dosu.
Aha.
TV.
Sopo.
Soup.
No. Sopo.
Drink.
No.
Sopo. That's that green that I don't like, huh?
No, dat is sopropo.
Oh.
Sopo.
Maybe it was like the short version of it. Sopo. Soup!
No.
Come on, it needs to be soup.
No, it's not.
Sopo. Tea.
No.
A drink.
No, it's
An alcoholic drink.
you can't consume it.
Disgusting? Sopo?
No. Say it slow. Then you're gonna come on it.
Sopo.
Okay, say it again.
Sopo.
Don't say po. Just say the first.
So.
With a P.
Sop. Po.
Say it slower.
Sop. Po.
Say soap. Say soap slower.
Soap. Oh, it's soap. It's soap. Okay. Dishwashing soap or something. Or any kind of soap.
Wagi.
Car.
Bicycle.
Bike.
Camera.
Camera.
Nee.
Huh? Camera?
Camera.
Room?
Yeah.
En papiamento it is camber.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Jachty.
Yacht?
Jachty.
Jacty? Jacty. A yacht. I don't know. Yeah, jacty. Jacty. Jacket.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay!
Wat kan ik nog meer zeggen? Crossie.
Clothes.
Yes. Yes. Wassie.
Wash.
Okay.
Or shower or whatever.
Yeah.
Something involving water.
Bori.
Cook.
Okay. Wagi.
Car, you already
Oh
said
yeah.
that
Oh,
one.
sorry.
Okay, enough with that game. That was fun though. How did I do?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
But it's easy, right?
It is, but I think like because I know papiamento too, I think. And also I don't know. For me it was easy, but I can understand that it's not easy for everyone maybe.
But I think it's easier.
If you know other languages.
I think it's easier than papiamento.
No, I don't think so. I think like if you know Spanish or Portuguese, then you will be
papiamento is
then papiamento
easier.
is super easy to understand.
But I think that the words in Surinamese, if you listen carefully, you know what it means.
Yeah, it could be. Like a lot of things sound like English as well.
Yes.
But at the same time they don't, so I don't know. And I noticed like y'all don't have like specific words for things.
No.
Y'all have like a whole sentence.
Like what?
Because when I ask you like, for example, how do you say later? Then you say like, okay, what sentence are you trying to say? You need to know the whole sentence before you can tell me the words.
Yes.
In most cases.
Yes.
Yeah. That's so interesting. Okay. We're gonna like boil the chicken. Yeah, we're gonna like quickly finish doing the dishes and then prepare everything to start cooking. Alrighty?
You can start with it.
Abong?
Abum.
Abu. I changed my outfit yet again because I was wearing this hoodie and it was really, really warm in the kitchen. It is golden hour in our kitchen and it's just really hot. But the soup is on the stove. The soup is cooking.
Asupu ebori.
Asupu ebori. And now I'm just gonna edit in the meantime while we're waiting for the soup to get ready. So yeah. So amiga, soup is ready. Benny is in his office drawing. I think I'm gonna go and take a nap because I'm just tired. Hello.
Go sleepy, go.
Saya do. Me go take un mini sribi. Un ching sribi. Okay?
Abum.
Abong.
Wat je kilo soepel.
Motak na ngayon later.
Abum.
Abong.
Stripsutiera.
Yeah. Hoe zeg ik? How do I say thank you?
Grantani.
Grantani. You do not want your hair to break while you're taking your nap. See you in 30 minutes. I'm gonna do a quick little power nap. Bye. Okay, I'm back up and I slept for more than 30 minutes. Let me take this off my head. Love this bonnet. Shout out to Love and Care by ASM for helping me take better care of my hair and keeping my hair moisturized while I take my naps and while I sleep. This whole quarantine situation, you guys, like, you take a nap and you ruin the whole schedule. It is crazy. But I'm now about to have dinner. I'm gonna close this window in my room because otherwise we will have so many bugs and I'm not here for that. So yeah, let me go see what Benny is up to. If he already had dinner without me, maybe he did. We'll see. Hello? Benny? Where the hell did he go?
Heb je het gezien?
What?
Dat ik.
Yeah, I saw it when I opened it.
Oh, maar toen je het tegen me zag je het niet.
Nee.
Ik deed dit.
Ah, he's on the toilet.
Wie praat je?
To the vlog.
I know!
I know what.
Oké. Wat ga je doen? Afsluiten?
No, not yet. Or maybe I should, yeah. You already had dinner?
Wogonyang.
Wogonyang.
Oké.
Okay. ¿Cuántos pijamas me digo pisado para no poner el laptop na ranti mesa? Ja.
Ik sta daar. Okay.
Maar nu zit je niet hier.
Maar dit even hier moest komen, Jennifer.
Okay.
To my knowledge,
Yeah, can you just
that
be
laptop isn't in danger. In case you go there now. Can you please get away from there? Thank you.
rude.
Go.
Yang. Wo yang. Wogo yang. This is the Caribbean chicken soup. Like, look at it.
That they eat with bread.
And I have a little bread. Benny doesn't want his with any bread, so he's just gonna eat it plain.
We eat soup with rice.
You eat soup with rice?
Surinamese.
Oh, we should have done that, but
Okay.
yeah, another time. It's pretty hot also, so like it influences my appetite a little bit. I'm not that hungry, but I'm gonna eat my soup anyways. But amiga, I also think I'm gonna end. Yeah, yang sweetie.
Yeah.
Wogo yang sweetie.
Yeah.
And by this I want to end the vlog here, I think, because it's gonna get darker and darker and darker, and that's not very good conditions to be vlogging. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Do you have anything how do you think I did today?
You did good.
Yeah, I did good.
You did a lot of effort to talk back also.
Yeah.
And
I'm not that good at talking back, but I do understand.
You tried.
Yeah, I tried. I do understand a lot, but it's still a challenge for me to actually talk back.
Yeah, but she tried.
Yeah, I did.
So, amigas, abe sweetie fu abunjaso na nga unu fu luku. Dus, op my sweet day, en dan we shiu an tralesi. Grantangi.
Tampong! Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye, amiga!